Today, we're diving into The Art of Laziness by Library Mindset. This short book packs a powerful message. Life is short, and wasting it on laziness or procrastination is one of the biggest regrets we'll ever face. Imagine being 80 years old, looking back and thinking, I wish I had done more. This book is your wake-up call to make sure that doesn't happen. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more powerful book breakdowns. Mindset shifts, the core of the book. Let's start with the mindset, because productivity starts in your head, not your to-do list. Take full responsibility. Your life is your responsibility. Blaming people or circumstances won't change your future. The book reminds us mistakes are part of life, but repeating them, that's your choice. Growth starts when you take ownership. Comfort zones hold you back. Comfort might feel nice, but nothing grows there. Progress happens when you step outside of routine, try new things, and take risks. Speed and action matter more than waiting for perfect timing. Focus on what matters most. Don't try to do everything. Productive people don't work more, they work on the right things. Prioritize. Focus on one important task at a time. Avoid multitasking. It only creates mental noise. Progress beats perfection. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Trying to make everything perfect slows you down or keeps you stuck. Aim to improve, not to be flawless. And don't settle for mediocrity either. Do your best even if it's not perfect. Multitasking doesn't work. Switching between tasks kills focus. Real productivity comes from deep, focused work. One task, full attention, better results. Create a daily routine and say no often. Routines build momentum, and saying no is just as important as saying yes. Protect your time. Say no to distractions, unnecessary meetings, and things that don't align with your goals. Don't overwork, don't wait. Working nonstop doesn't mean you're productive, it often leads to burnout. And waiting for the right moment, it's a trap. The book says it best, one day you'll wake up, and there won't be more time. Do it now. Choose the right people. Your circle matters. If you hang around lazy, negative people, you'll absorb that. Be around people who push you, challenge you, and support your goals. Action beats worry. Worry grows when we sit idle. The best way to fight it? Take action. Start your day with your hardest task. It sets the tone for everything else. Delegate smartly and learn what matters. Don't waste time on things others can do. Delegate tasks when possible and focus on what only you can do. When learning, focus on practical knowledge, not just random facts. Productivity techniques that actually work. Once your mindset is sharp, the book gives simple yet powerful techniques to get more done without feeling overwhelmed. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of tasks that bring 80% of results. Find those high-impact tasks and put your best energy there. Apply Parkinson's law. Tasks expand to fill the time you give them. So, set shorter deadlines. You'll get more done in less time. Adopt Japanese wisdom. Ideas like Kaizen, small, consistent improvements, and Ikigai, finding purpose, remind us that daily actions done with intention create long-term success. Start tiny habits. Change doesn't need to be dramatic. Tiny, repeatable habits like making your bed, journaling for 1 minute, or planning your next day build real momentum. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and focused. Use the 5-minute rule. If something takes under 5 minutes, do it immediately. It clears mental clutter and builds confidence. Don't skip 2 days in a row. If you miss a habit one day, that's okay. But never skip it 2 days in a row. That's how you stay consistent. Work with your energy, not against it. Find your peak energy hours and do your most important work during that time. Morning person or night owl, it doesn't matter. What matters is alignment. So that's The Art of Laziness, a guide that helps you break procrastination with 2 key things: a powerful mindset that takes full ownership, and practical tools that make action feel easier. You don't need to hustle 24/7. You just need to be intentional. Small daily improvements greater than random bursts of motivation. If this summary helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's one habit or idea you're going to start today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay sharp and don't just be busy, be intentional.